Volkswagen ID. Buzz gains unique cargo partition for enhanced utility. Volkswagen is expanding the versatility of its electric ID. Buzz minivan with a new factory-installed partition, effectively blending passenger and cargo capabilities in a way no other vehicle currently offers. Developed in partnership with Snooks Automotive, this feature allows owners to convert the rear of the 5-seat ID Buzz into a dedicated cargo area without compromising daily usability. Bridging passenger comfort and work needs, the fixed partition is positioned directly behind the second row, incorporating a window to maintain the van's seating capacity while creating a separate, floor-to-ceiling cargo space. This mirrors the functionality of the ID Buzz cargo variant, but in a model designed for mixed use. The primary benefit is practical. It contains dirt, odors, and noise from the cargo area, preventing them from entering the passenger cabin. Additionally, the partition optimizes climate control efficiency by reducing the volume of space that needs heating or cooling. Durable design with user-friendly features constructed from lightweight, yet durable compact composite material. The divider is finished with a soft touch surface to avoid a purely industrial aesthetic. A concealed storage compartment built into the floor provides a dedicated space for the charging cable. Crucially, the design ensures full compatibility with rear seatbelts and side airbags, prioritizing safety. Availability and pricing: the partition is available for both standard and long wheelbase ID Buzz models, with trim level restrictions varying by body style. In Germany, the accessory costs approximately €1,856.40, around $2,000 USD. US market status: despite its popularity in Europe, the ID Buzz has been temporarily removed from the US market due to lower than expected sales. However, Volkswagen is considering a return in 2027 with updated features tailored to American buyers. This innovative partition demonstrates Volkswagen's commitment to maximizing the functionality of its electric vehicles, offering a unique solution for customers who require both passenger and cargo space. The ID Buzz's versatility is further enhanced by this factory-installed option, positioning it as a practical choice for families and businesses alike.